Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I've linked this beverage fridge below with a solid discount running right now. Check that out first if you want to grab it while the price is down. Today we're looking at the Velieta 24-inch beverage refrigerator, and this is built specifically to solve one problem, giving you a dedicated cold drink setup that isn't fighting for space in your kitchen fridge. Capacity here is big, it holds up to 210 cans, and it comes with 3 metal shelves that are height adjustable, so you can rearrange the inside to fit taller bottles, cans, or a mix of both depending on what you're stocking. The compressor is the part that actually matters most on a fridge like this, and this one's rated to chill drinks down to 37 degrees Fahrenheit, with a temperature range from 37 up to 64, so you can dial it in depending on what you're storing. It also runs quiet with low vibration, so it's not humming away loudly if you're putting this somewhere like a living room or office. Build-wise, it's got a stainless steel frame with double-layer tempered glass, which helps keep the internal temperature stable, plus an internal exhaust fan that keeps air circulating so you don't get that stale fridge smell over time. Installation is flexible too, it's got front ventilation, so you can either build it in under a counter or just run it freestanding, whichever fits your space. And if the power happens to go out, it actually remembers your last temperature setting instead of resetting to default. For usability, there's a digital display with a blue interior LED, so you can actually see what you're grabbing even in a dim room, and there's a safety lock on the door too, which is a nice touch if you've got kids around. This is the stainless steel model in the 24-inch depth size, and if you want a dedicated drink fridge for the kitchen, a bar setup, or even an office, this is a solid all-around pick. I'll leave the link in the description below if you want to check the current price. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.